નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, last time we had completed WH interrogative sentences, where I have told you that we are not here with who and whom. Now we are here with who and whom. These two structures, especially in interrogative sentences, is much more important for you. Why is it so? Somewhere else, if it is given to you, you have to be little bit attentive. Why is it so? Because last time I told you, whatsoever is given in WH interrogative sentence, you will keep it as it is without any change. And next to that one, we will follow this one. S2O, O2S, 2B and PP. This is the shortcut key, the same shortcut key you will follow. Here also, you will follow the same shortcut keys, but with little change. What's the change? Suppose that the interrogative sentence is with who, WHO who. Then you will convert WHO who into by whom. That is confirmed. But with a condition, and that condition is what? That this by whom will be in the first place of the sentence. Where who is used, there only you will use by whom. It means initial place of the sentence will be with the same. તમને question થાય, why is it so? It is quite natural, and you should have this question in your mind. What is who? Who requires a subject. Subject is equal to doer of an action. એ જ વસ્તુ તો અહીંયા લખી છે. S should be converted into O. And just before S here, we have to add by. Before S, we have to add by. The same thing is here. You will ask where we have made S2O. Same thing. Who requires subject, but whom requires O2, and so that only who is converted into by whom. We are using it in the initial place of the sentence. Why is it so? Because we are here with interrogative sentence. This is the reason why we are using by whom in place of who when we will convert active into passive. And the same thing, you see here, who has completed this lesson well in advance? Who has tried for this? This is a question, interrogative question. Who is converted into by whom? Now, S2O is over. O2S. Because when the question is with who, subject will not be given there, but object will be there. The same object will be replaced in place of object, so that by whom, what? This lesson is equal to O1. And this O1 is here soon after by whom, so that by whom this lesson has been completed. This is what? Present perfect. Same present perfect I have used here. But we have to use this be to be form also. And that to be form is used over here. This lesson is equal to it. that is placed here, so that by whom this lesson has been completed is the conversion. Active voice to passive voice, especially in the interrogative sentence when WHO who is used in the sentence. Got the idea? Whatsoever you learn in grammar, each and everything will be according to basic fundamental steps, norms, rules and regulations. You are converting who into by whom, that is also with rules and regulations. It is not apart from rules and regulations. So that only I had told you that when we are thinking other WH words, at the time I told that this is for chokdi mindu chokdi. We are not thinking for who and whom. Why is it so? Because who and whom both will be with changes. Here also, when whom is used in a sentence, whom should be converted into who. तो तमने एक question था sir. Here we have used by whom, then why here we will not use by who? Naturally, it must be there in your mind. If who is converted into by whom, then why whom is not converted into by who? Go little back. When I taught you double passive, at that time only I had given one idea to you. Whenever O2 is given in the sentence and at the same time objective case form is used, in the sentence, that objective case should be converted into nominative case. And this nominative case will be on the place of subject. Why is it so? Because the subject demands the use and usage of nominative case. It will not be with the objective case. The same thing is here. That idea we have already completed. The same idea is here. What is whom? Whom is always with O2. When O2 is used and if OC form is used, OC form, objective case form is used, it should be converted into NC form, nominative case form. Me was used, that we had completed, transferred me to I, us to we, you to you, her to she, OC to NC. Same condition is here. Whom is equal to O2. OC form should be converted into NC form. NC form is equal to subject. And so that what we have done over here, who we have used. This thing you will keep it in your mind. And so that only, when we have converted me into I, at the time we have not used by I, we have not used. By we have not used. And so that, why? NC form. Here, by who is not used. Got the idea? Now I'll tell you, whom do you call Mahi in cricket? On ground, in cricket, game, whatsoever you will write. These all are the extensions. Now, whom is converted into who? Do you call that is equal to simple present tense? And this simple present tense is equal to you are here with singular or you are with plural. That you have to think. Mahi would be one or two. Mahi would be only one. It means you are here with the singular. To be home of simple present tense. This is past participle. Remaining part of the program is extension. Leave it as it is without any change. This is what? This is the transformation of who and whom, especially in interrogative sentence with active voice to passive voice. This thing you will keep it in your mind, and this is the reason, this is the way to transfer active voice into passive voice with who and whom. Once again, I'll tell you, apart from who and whom, if any WH word is given, it will remain as it is without any change on the first place of the sentence. Or if who or whom is used, this will be transformed in this way. If who is given, who will be converted into by whom. If whom is used, that will be converted into whom. I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds to have a screenshot with the same, and then afterwards we'll move ahead with the next topic. Have a screenshot with the same, and if you have doubt, I'll be here to solve it. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.